I just had to share my excitement with you all because I recently bought the Mendini by Cecilio Tenor Saxophone, L+92D flat, and wow, it's been an incredible journey so far. If you're thinking about diving into the world of saxophones, let me tell you why this one is worth every penny. First off, this saxophone comes with everything you need to get started: a sturdy case, a tuner, and even a mouthpiece. It's like the ultimate starter kit. The build quality is fantastic. It's got a sleek nickel finish that not only looks great but also feels solid in your hands. Plus, the sound quality is just beautiful, perfect for those of us who are just beginning to learn. The Mendini tenor saxophone is really making my practice sessions enjoyable, and it's super easy to handle. I'm seeing progress and having fun, which is exactly what I hoped for. If you're considering picking up a saxophone, this one's a great choice. It's affordable, comes with all the essentials, and delivers fantastic performance for beginners like me.